Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 Sets of Twins, and I went to Dollar Tree this week. I didn't get a whole lot because their Easter was sort of not all out there, and I went to Walmart also. We just put up a video of when we were in the store. We just showed you some things that they had. We'll try to, I guess, revisit Walmart because they were half done, but I thought for those of you who are looking for some Easter stuff, we just wanted to put it out there as soon as possible. And we live in a semi-small town, so this little Walmart is like in the country, so they don't have as much, but we'll try to go to the big one next time. But for the Dollar Tree, of course, we've got the little pink trucks and turquoise trucks out again this year. And it says Cottontail Farms, open daily, this way to the bunny trail, which I think is so cute. Love the bunnies. I think Easter is probably, Christmas is my favorite, but I love Easter, probably because of the bunnies.
The bunnies are adorable.
One year I tried to get my kids a bunny. I even went to Richmond, and I wanted to get the little dwarf ones, but every time I went to a pet shop, they just had the big ones, and I was like, we have 6 kids, we don't have room, we already have a cat and a dog, and she wants a bird, so.
Yeah, I still haven't gotten it. I wanted it for over 2 years now.
Well, we're going to get one because we keep planning on moving, and maybe we'll get lucky this year to move. So, all right,
and then I'll get the bird.
And then she'll get the bird, because I can't imagine traveling with a bird,
a dog, and a cat.
And a cat.
All in the same car.
And the cat wanting to eat the bird.
And then the dog wanted to kill the cat.
Yeah. All right, so this one says Carrot Patch, pick your own, open daily, and I love turquoise. It's one of my favorite summer colors. So
and it's sparkly, so.
And it's sparkly. And this is the cutest bunny ever. Look at this bunny. I should have gotten 2 of them because I think I'd put one on my front door, or I would take and DIY with it. I love this bunny. Isn't it cute?
She's cute.
It's got the little headband.
The
oh my God, she's so
flower
cute.
crown.
Yes, we'll have to go to Dollar Tree in town.
Which, by the way,
I think we'll go tomorrow.
we need to plant flowers once we're in Florida.
Yeah.
Or wherever we go.
Yeah, I had a nice garden image in the beach, but okay. And then these are cute. I think these are sort of like Bunny Trail Farms, egg hunts daily, 25 cents a basket. I just think these would be cute to DIY with. I'm not sure what I would do with it yet. I haven't done a lot of DIYs because I've been packing up boxes, and I've got all my stuff is all over the place. It is. It's downstairs. It's in the basement. I've been packing and I don't know where everything's at. I don't want to keep buying things.
This is such a cute sign.
And then this one is too. This one says Happy Easter, Cottontail's Farm, fresh eggs. I love bunnies. We have bunnies in the backyard.
All the time.
All the time.
I'm surprised that they haven't come out yet. I saw a couple across the street the other day, though.
Oh, did you?
Uh-huh.
That's pretty cool. Okay. The other thing I got was this ribbon. They had some really pretty Easter ribbon. Okay, this is like a lilac. Very pretty. It's like a grosgrain type. And this is like a lavender plaid, which I think is really pretty.
I love lavender.
Isn't that pretty? And then we have this really pretty, it's like lavender green. It's sort of a hot pink. It's like a crisscross. I don't know what you would call that, but that was really pretty. And you know, Dollar Tree is now $1.25. Bless you. I don't know what we'll call Dollar Tree anymore. I guess we can still call it Dollar Tree, right?
Yeah.
I wonder if they're going to.
Because everything's $1.25 or under. That's what their signs say.
But I don't know what, they should rename it or something. Okay, this is like a teal with little baby flowers on it. How cute is that?
Are those daisies? What are those?
Are they daisies?
I don't know.
And it comes in a hot pink.
I don't think they're any kind of
Those
certain
two.
flower.
Yeah, they do sort of look like daisies.
Don't they? Like with the white?
And this one's really cute. This is like got little Easter eggs on it with all the different colors. Isn't that cute?
It's really cute.
They always come out with different ones every year. Then they had these cute little bunny ribbons. They had them in different colors, but I just got them in blue. But they do have, I think they had like a pink and a green.
I
just
feel like
picked
they
up
also had a
blue.
purple. They might
But
have.
then,
I don't
then I had purple
remember.
though. I had to pick that one up.
Oh, okay.
I would have.
I'm
Okay,
trying
I
to
got
remember.
these cute little pom-poms, which if you're going to make anything for Easter, these would be cute for their tails. Or if you're making little bunnies, you could use that for bunnies. Save them for Christmas. Use them for snowmen.
Or
Lots of
the
good
little
uses.
fluffy spot on Santa's hat.
Yes, see? She's a DIY. She doesn't want to admit it, but she is. Okay.
Hey, I DIY'd my whole Edward Scissorhand costume. I'm a DIYer.
That's true, she is. Anyway, I love carrots because you can do so much with them in your decorations for Easter. So I did pick up a bunch of these, which is really a good deal. There's 6 of them for $1.25. Did we ever go to Hobby Lobby for Easter yet?
Nope.
Uh-oh, we don't want to go.
I think we went there like a couple of weeks ago when they were just putting out Easter.
Yeah, maybe we'll do a video
Because
on
they
that
still had all their Valentine stuff out.
And this is cute because this is like it's like a little carrot garland that you can string across, and you can add things to it too if you wanted to.
At Hobby Lobby, I was already dying because of the mini, like, bunny statues.
Oh, that's right. They had the cutest bunny stuff, and I think I've already packed mine from last year.
And
Maybe,
I want
I
that
don't
bunny
know.
so much. I still want that bunny.
Well, she's working on a dog, so she might get it. Then they have this as a garland. It's a short garland, but you could buy a couple of them and string them together. It's like little speckled eggs. They call it a garland, but it's really a short garland. I'm going to have to put that one on my bear over there.
That'll be cute.
Yeah, he's going to need a necklace. It looks like a necklace to me.
It does. That was actually my first thought. I was like, is that an egg necklace?
Okay, my other Easter thing is these gold little Easter eggs, because I'll put those in a bowl. And maybe put some carrots with it. Just
They
to make
also
something
had the
decorative.
camo Easter eggs back out.
Yeah, they have the camel Easter eggs. If you look at our last video, it's going to show up in there. They had some cute ones. They did. Walmart has some cute stuff, but they were not done yet. So I'm really excited to see what they have. Okay, next is we're Irish, so I got these cute little things for my kids, so they can pick what they want. It's like a little glasses. I'll show you. Here we go. See? And then a tie.
Oh, she fancy.
Or you can do a bow tie. Or suspenders. So we'll show you one at a time. Wouldn't that be cute?
Uh-huh.
The glasses
Or, no, never mind. I was about to say, you could wear the glasses, the suspenders, and the bow tie.
you could. You could. But they're cute. I figured for my 4 kids, we'll take some pictures. You know. I think this is pretty cool though. You know. I might use that. I wish they had it in different colors. I'd use it like for Christmas.
That would be cool.
What else could you use green for? Halloween,
Halloween,
maybe.
yeah.
And then these suspenders are
If you wanted to go as an Irishman for Halloween.
That's a good idea. We usually go downtown for Patrick's Day because they have a little festival.
Yeah. They also have the little,
Irish
the Irish shop.
Okay, then I got these really cute. These are cute for tea trays or a fairy garden. But I love these. I got the beach theme one, little sand castle. Can't wait to make a little, I guess, 3-tier tray for beachy. Won't that be cute?
Yes.
I need some sand and what else? All right, got the little
Seashells.
seashells. Yeah, seashells. Seashells.
Seashells,
by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore. Say that 3 times fast.
Yeah, that's a tongue twister.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and I think this would be cute. It's like a little beach house where you would change your clothes. Isn't that cute? And this is like a little, what is it, a 70s van with the surf.
Is that a 70s camper?
Yeah, with like the little surfboard on top. Isn't that cute? That's cute.
Oh.
And I got this little ice cream house. These are so cute. I couldn't pass them up because, like I said, you can add them to 3-tier trays, or if you're doing decorations, how cute is that? This one's more like a fairy garden for this one, isn't it?
Mm.
Because you know what's going to go with that fairy garden? A little gnome. Isn't he cute?
I was about to say fairies.
Are gnomes fairies?
No, gnomes are gnomes.
That's what I thought.
Fairies are little tiny creatures
Okay, now I'll add this little,
Wings.
and you know, I'm gonna save like some of these for my Christmas scenes too, like this little ice cream cart. Because when I do my Christmas scenes, I always add little stuff from like Dollar Tree over the years. Okay, that's my Dollar Tree. And then we went to Walmart. Ta-da, Dollar Tree. Okay, I do like my little decorative carrots. So they had some of the cutest ones. They had polka dot ones, okay, in black and white. I chose these because I'm going to do something different with the different colored ones. And let's see, I chose the striped one. See, they had all different kinds. Look how cute these are. These were $2.98. So they're like $1 each, really, which isn't bad because, you know, if they were at
Dollar Tree, you'd
each
be
one would be
spending-
$1.25. And these are nice. These are like, they're nicely made. They really are. There's the orange and white ones. Aren't they cute? I'm going to see if I can put them in a basket or even add them to my 3-tier trays. Okay, they had ribbon. Oh, this ribbon was so good. All right, this was $3.98. And it has, yeah, it was a really good 12 feet. That is not bad. Look how gorgeous this ribbon is. It is so pretty. And they had a beige one, but I like color.
This is a really pretty light
Isn't
green.
I'm not sure. That is just so pretty. Oh, and they had these cute. These are 98 cents. So you can add these however you want. But this is like little bunny ears, and they are called decorative clips. So you can add them, I guess, to your flower arrangements. A what? A wreath? Yes, a
Imagine
wreath.
making a wreath out of all bunny ears.
Wait till you see this one. This one, I couldn't believe this was 98 cents, really. Look, they are 3 little bunnies.
Are those the Peeps bunnies?
Yes. You're so good with that stuff. Aren't they cute? Make sure they could see the texture of it.
It's like,
Yeah, it's like a glitter, but not a sparkly glitter. So nothing's going to come off of the glitter.
I should show
Unless-
them my cow.
You should. Where's your cow? Oh, she's going to go get it. That's all right. Okay, then I got the bunny ears. See the bunny ears? You should go get my pig, too. Angelina,
Huh?
get my pig
Okay, where
Right.
is it?
on my bed.
Upstairs?
Yeah. Okay, so here are the bunny ears, which I think are really cute. We went a little crazy with, I'm not a big stuffed animal person, but my kids are. So when we were in there, they had so many cute stuffed animals that Angelina was playing with all of them all the time. And she talked me into getting this little cute little pig because I have a coat or like a long jacket that looks just like it. So here she comes. She's going to show you what she got first.
Hold on.
Yeah. Show them how cute that mouth is when it opens. Anyway, they had 4 different puppets. There was a frog, there was a little chicken, there was a cow. What was the other one? Was it frog, a chicken, a cow, a pig? A pig.
Yep, a pig.
Pig. All right, now let's see my
Speaking
pig.
of pigs,
Well, all right, while she's holding that up, I'm going to show y'all something.
isn't he adorable?
Okay. The reason she wanted me to get it was because, look, I have a coat almost the same color as him. See? Look at that.
It's literally almost the exact same texture, too.
Yeah, it's the same texture. And Angelina goes, look, Mom, it'll match your coat.
He matches you.
That's all she had to say to me. It's going to match your coat.
And also, I got him because of the look of shock he's able to do.
And just so you guys know, I mean, this really channel is about me and my daughter. And we have another channel that we're doing together because I was talking to my longtime best friend and their godmother last night. And she was like, Oh yes, Joni, you two should have a channel together. So anyway, getting back to the little Walmart stuff. This little bunny was so cute, and they had it in green. Wish they had it in purple. I think they had it in pink, but I really like yellow.
They also had it in blue, didn't they?
I think so. I would get another. It's just so cute.
It's so cute.
They were $5.98, but they're made out of material, a really nice material. And you see the little eggs and the little flower. Look how cute he is. I thought he was so cute. I had a sparkle one, but then I really like this one better. I had to pick and choose. Trying to make better choices.
But it's bunny.
Okay.
It doesn't matter if it's a good choice because everything is a
Okay,
good
I'm
choice.
starting to pick up things for my kids' Easter baskets, and I got this cute little, it's a magnetic checker set, and these were $3. So they had a lot of toys. Like I said, go back and look at my other video where we're walking through Walmart's, we're walking through Dollar Tree, and we filmed everything that they had sitting out. But I thought that would be cute, especially if we do a car ride. You know, it's magnetic, it won't fall.
And if you guys hear Penelope, because I hear her, she just wants me to go down there to her. So it's
She's been with her dog.
nothing's wrong or anything. She wants me to go down there, which I will be after the video.
Plus, she can hear us, so that's probably another reason.
Yeah, so she's like, oh my gosh, I hear Mom.
Okay, so they had all the little decorative egg boxes. And I decided on this one because it's called Unicorn Color Whip, and I just thought it was really pretty. Isn't that pretty?
Ooh!
So
Unicorn.
hopefully, because Easter's in April, it's going to be a nice Easter. Okay, then this Angelina saw, and it's so cute. It is so cute. So we're going to show it to you. We can't say it out loud because my daughter's in the other room, but she's going to show it to you, and she's going to hold it so you can see it real good without going real quick, and then show the back. But yeah. So, anyway, we have really enjoyed you spending time with us, and thank you for your time tonight or today, whenever you're going to watch this. And we want to say if you would subscribe, we would love that. If you would hit the like button, that would be even better. And we want to say good night, or good morning, or good evening, or good afternoon. So, bye-bye.